Hi everyone, this is a video about the installation of this Samodra bidet attachment that you can see is in there. Now it's been attached, and the plumbing, that is my original tap that is mixing hot and cold water automatically, that it would go to the douche there, that you can also wash your head and do whatever that you like with that douche, if you are an OCD like myself. And the plumbing, as you see, the bottom one is the one that goes straight to the douche, and the middle one is coming to the bidet itself, and the top of it is going to the main, to that tap that you can see, automatic mixer with a hot and cold tap. And that's really it. And when you are going a little bit further, I have to apologize for my voice and freehand videoing, because this is really awkward situation here. And as you see, I've tried to make it a little bit neat, but unfortunately, they are silver and they are showing, but it's a little bit messy. I think if it was white, would have been better. I mean, that cable that goes to this bidet would have been better. And this is how it looks when you look at it, and this is how you install it. And if you see any sort of rusty color there, I have to assure you, it's not something horrible. It's just a little bit of rust. I tried to clean it as much as I could, but the discoloration and the places that it situated is really difficult to clean anyhow. This is my toilet, and the way to install it, you have to unscrew these two. Let me just push this, go all the way down. You have to these are just a plate. You can it's like a cap. You can take them off, those metal ones, and then there are two screws underneath, and then unscrew it, put this bidet with these adjustable circles that situates the screws that's going through the toilet down there, and then put it on the top and screw it together, and now it's really fixed in place. And when you close this one, it really doesn't occupy any gaps there, so it's fantastic. It's just a little bit elevated from the back, if you can notice it. And then these two, they are coming out and just spraying water there. And I have to demonstrate it for you a little bit later on. But first, let me just show you I took this pipe, this flexible pipe, going under here. Oh, something here happened. Going under here, and I put some sort of tape, white tape, to disguise it, and then it goes there with a suction, plastic suction, and this, I hold it in place there. And then here I just put a little bit of Teflon tape there to avoid any sort of leakage, and everything is okay right now. And this is my tap that is automatically adjust cold and hot water as you desire. So it looks like this. It's not very well, but when you open the top, everything is washed. You should be put at ease that there is nothing there, and for the purpose of the demonstration, I have to get some sort of see-through cup or container to just show you how strong this one is. Just a moment, please. Okay, I'm back. It wasn't really easy to do it with one hand, so I decided to get my tripod and show you properly how it works. And for instance, now I put this at minimum just to show you how it works. This is for the bottom part that I have to, control it somehow. When you press it, it just comes out, and then the pressure is low, is useless, medium is not bad, and the high is good, and the stop. And then for the lady part, it's just, if you look, the pressure is okay, and the other one is the same, and then stop. And then self-cleaning is this one, that it just goes down there just to wash it itself, and then stop. And for another time, the back side. I hope you can see that. And then the front side. As you see, these button sort of, method is much better. You don't need to fiddle with that and, adjust it every time. You can adjust it at certain level and then do that. OCD attack. Yes. So I'm gonna dry this and put this aside. OCD attack. Anyhow, and then for the last time I show you from different angle how the water is coming out, because I cannot see anything or what I'm showing you. And now again I just look there and see back side, stop, front side, and then self-wash. And I have to tell you, this one mixes the hot and cold water, and the water was cold, was warm, and gradually it's getting warm. Anyhow, if you see all of these, splashes, when you are sitting there, is not going to have any sort of splashes whatsoever. So is only your back side and the front side is getting wet. And in case that you might need a tissue to dry yourself, you can put some sort of towels over here to just dry yourself off. And this is how it looks now. When I open this, this is how it looks. I hope you like this video, and until my next video, I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. Just a disclaimer at the end that I do not advise you to do this on your own. This plumbing is very simple, and I am well versed in DIY at home. So if you need to do this properly, you better consult a professional plumber to come and do this, that you can be sure that nothing would go wrong. Anyhow, for the last time, until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.